Hey, hello Pooja.
Hey Rohan, how are you?
I am good. Have you seen this new movie, Bob Biswas, that released today?
No, I haven't. Can you please tell me about it more so that I can decide whether to watch it or not?
Of course, why not? I'll give you the review of the movie, then you can decide to watch it or not. Before starting, I would request you to subscribe if you haven't yet. So, here are my reviews on Bob Biswas, completely based on my experience. While spending time in cinematic universe, we often come across some characters whom we want to know more intimately. Hollywood has had a long list of spin-offs like The Walking Dead, World Beyond, and many more to name. But we keep wondering why Hindi cinema, or to be precise Indian cinema, isn't paying much attention towards audience's favorite characters, whom we want to know more and love to know more. Fortunately this week, writer and producer Sujoy Ghosh joins hands with his daughter Diya Ghosh to dip into his Kahani universe and decides to tell us the story of Bob Biswas, played by Abhishek Bachchan, who replaces Saswata Chatterjee, the unlikely assassin who almost bumped off Vidya Bagchi, played by Vidya Balan in the original, before meeting an accident. Bob, whose catchphrase was "Ek minute," spent not more than 10 minutes on screen, but such was his kinky charm that he resided in public memory. Curiously, Bob has lost his memory bank, forced to ply his trade this time. Sujoy takes us to the unusual hitman's home and family and promises to open up his mind for us. But apart from the usual moral dilemmas of a man living two lives, Bob still remains a mystery. We still don't know why he does and what he does. Once again, Sujoy manages to pull us into the cobwebs of a crime story set in the indolent Calcutta. The back alleys, the worn out nightclubs, and the song playing in the background recreate the nervous energy of Kahani that you haven't forgotten even after a decade. Once again, he imbues the script with social concerns like unrealistic pressures on students appearing for competitive exams and mischievously tells us what happens to the reality show stars that constitute a large part of the population in eastern part of country. He slips in Bangla words like dorkor, that means need, in dialogues that find a quaint resonance with the Hindi speaking audience. And Diya astutely positions seasoned Bengali actors who creates a credible texture for the story to unravel. In fact, Bob's conversations with Kali Paul, played by Paran Bandyopadhyay, a docile homeopathy pharmacist who carries a handful of secrets, provide a mythical layer to the crime story and render a kind of spiritual sanction to the actions of the assassin. However, for a story that lures us into its complexity, its resolutions are simplistic. The memory of Bob, an important cog for the wheel to roll, returns rather conveniently. The backstory of his wife, played by Chitrangda Singh, is predictable, as applying the homeopathy trope in Bangla milieu. Despite his eagerness to play a challenging part, 2 hours is a short time to accept Abhishek Bachchan as Bob Biswas and erase Saswata Chatterjee from our memory. One wonders, what was the Dorkor to replace him with a known face? Bob echoes a strange mix of confidence and self-doubts. He could be edgy and weak-kneed at the same time. Abhishek might be carrying a bob inside him, but the paunch and the prosthetics prevent the expression to seep through effectively and consistently. They only remind that he is copying a character who became an iconic because it was against the type. As it struck a chord, it seems the makers are trying to create a new type out of Bob. It adds variety to Abhishek's filmography, but in Sujoy's work, it might just fill an compromise column. Overall, Abhishek did good. After a long time, Chitrangda Singh gets a solid part as the ravishing wife of Bob. Perhaps the casting director was given an undercover agent's view of Mary. He kind of described him as the medicine for Bob's faded memory and libido. Chitrangda fits the description, and Abhishek, she also tries hard to get assimilated into the middle class milieu, but doesn't always succeed in shedding the upper chick baggage. Mary shines among the wimpy men around her, and together with Kali Babu, seemed like an interesting material for the next spin off. But I think Sujoy has other plans. Not as memorable as Kahani, but still a tale that you can bob your head to only once. Bob Biswas is currently streaming on G5. You can watch it. So, Pooja, how do you like my review? Was it good? If you like, then please share it with your friends and do comment and tell me which part of movie you like the most. Thanks for watching.